Alright guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel at Local's Garage. If you guys haven't subscribed, subscribe right now. Today we got some sun visor for the windows. They're from Extreme Online Store. So we're gonna go ahead and install these today on the 2018 Wrangler. I believe these fit the previous years also, like 2014, but I'm not too sure. They might have different styles. So I'm going to show you guys how to install these. If you guys can, drop a like and a comment as well. And yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, so they give you instructions. It's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. They also give you an alcohol wipe to clean the surface all around. This way, when you stick these on, it'll stick because these are 3M tape, guys. So it's pretty nice, pretty simple to install. Like, I'll recommend them to anybody. They're like a dark tint, so it's gonna match a Wrangler pretty nice. We have their logo right here, Extreme Online Store Visors. That's pretty cool. Well yeah guys, let's get this started because it's getting dark out here like I said. But look at that, nice. Alright guys, so you guys get the alcohol wipe it down this way, make sure no dirt's right there. Now what I'm gonna do is line up the visor and then peel the 3M tape back. I'm just gonna let it dry for a little bit. So meanwhile, I'm gonna do the back. Sorry if it's a little dark. I'll put the light on right now for we can see. Alright guys, now that we clean the surface, basically, so you're gonna pull back this 3M tape, the little red part. Can't get it. Alright, there we go. So basically just gonna put it back just a little bit, enough like that. This way we could line it up, and then once we get it lined up, we could just peel back the red tape. Do the same thing on this side. There we go. Sorry guys, I don't got nails to peel it back, so it's a little hard. Alright guys, let me try this side. 10 hours later, huh? Alright, there we go. Sorry guys, it took long because I don't got nails. My nails are short, so. I'm gonna go ahead and line this up. You want to make sure it's nice and even all around. Okay, that looks good. And that looks good right there. Okay, so now what we're going to do is peel back the red tape, or 3M. So you guys, very simple. Press down it hard. This way the glue of the 3M tape could expand, could grip more. We're gonna do the same thing on top. Okay. Oh, that looks pretty cool. It's changing the look on the car for sure. Gotta make sure everything's nice and tight. Looks pretty good. So yeah guys, look at it. Took me to install it 30 seconds, but to peel this off a little bit longer because I don't got nails like I said. But overall, you could do this yourself. Alright guys, now for the back. So the back's gonna look like something like this. I already started peeling them back, so let's get it. See how it comes out. That one wasn't that bad actually right there. So let's see. Go back a little bit. Make sure you want to line it up perfect and straight. This way it looks lined up with the door, like if it's OEM. If you want to double check, open the door. Oops. Open the door. Make sure it's not hitting anything. So right there looks perfect. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take this off. Lined up. Go ahead and do the top one now. So you just want to press on all the way. Do the back one now. Oh yeah, that looks way better. So close the door. That looks pretty cool. It's a little bit different. It gives the car like a different look. Obviously it's gonna help. Say if you have the windows down and like you're driving by the beach or something, this is going to protect you from the sun. So it has its benefits besides looking nice. I'm going to go ahead and drop the link for these down below. I'm going to install the other side right now, and then yeah, that's pretty much it guys. I'll do a little time lapse on the other side, but you guys get the point already. It's very simple. Just make sure they're on there pretty good, and make sure you clean the surface good. Look at, they line up perfect with the door, the edges. So you want it to look like that. Look at the back one too. See? Pretty nice. Pretty straightforward guys. Alright guys, sorry for the late video, but this is an after install. Look pretty great. The Wrangler's still dirty, we haven't washed it, but that's a cool, nice little feature. And bro, they line up perfect. Look at that. The seam is perfect all the way around. The back one too. Here, let's check it out from the inside. So the inside gives like a little tint. I mean, obviously when the window is down and stuff, you know. But pretty cool. I should have did it in the garage with the light, but it's still a mess in there. I've been working on cars. But yeah guys, check it out. Drop a comment what you guys think. A little inside view right now. So I went down a block and this thing holds up pretty nice. It doesn't even really move. But this is an inside view. Like I'm saying, during the day you could probably notice a difference and stuff. That's it for now guys. It looks nice either way, inside outside. It looks pretty great. It looks pretty nice guys, honestly.